Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegib.com, link in the description below. Certainly. In Python, you can use the pyperclip library to copy variables or text to the clipboard easily. If you don't have it installed, you can install it using. Now, let's create a simple tutorial with a code example to copy a variable to the clipboard. Ensure that you have the pyperclip library installed. If not, you can install it using. Let's create a variable with some content that we want to copy to the clipboard. For example, use the pyperclip.copy function to copy the content of the variable to the clipboard. You can verify that the variable is copied to the clipboard by printing its content. Now you have a Python script that copies a variable to the clipboard using the pyperclip library. You can modify the script according to your specific use case. ChatGPT